Welcome to our journey in mastering the balancing act between academics and extracurricular activities. For many students, this presents a significant challenge. Striking the right balance is crucial for success in both areas. In this video, we'll address common struggles and explore the importance of managing these two aspects of student life effectively. You'll discover practical tips and strategies designed to help you thrive academically while enjoying your extracurricular pursuits. Let's dive into the essentials of finding that perfect balance. Time management is the cornerstone of balancing your academic and extracurricular commitments. It's the key to achieving your goals in both areas without feeling overwhelmed. A great place to start is by understanding the importance of managing your time effectively. The better you organize your schedule, the more likely you are to find balance. Use planners and schedules to keep track of both assignments and extracurricular activities. Set aside specific time blocks for studying and prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and importance. Breaking down large assignments into smaller, manageable tasks can also help. Utilize tools like digital calendars, reminder apps, or traditional notebooks to keep everything in check. By creating a consistent routine and sticking to it, you'll be able to see where your time goes and make necessary adjustments. Moving forward, you'll see how prioritization plays a critical role in maintaining this balance. Prioritization is crucial when balancing your academic responsibilities with extracurricular activities. It begins with understanding what needs immediate attention and what can wait. Not everything on your to-do list holds the same weight. It's essential to differentiate between tasks that are urgent and those that are important. Imagine you have a project due tomorrow and a club meeting later in the day. The project's urgency makes it a priority, while the club meeting, although important, can wait. This way, you ensure that critical tasks are completed on time and still manage to fulfill your extracurricular commitments. Setting realistic goals by breaking down larger tasks into manageable steps can help you achieve more without feeling overwhelmed. Prioritization isn't about doing everything at once, but about doing the most important things effectively. As we move forward, you'll see how managing stress plays a pivotal role in this balancing act. Stay tuned as we explore stress management techniques to keep you calm under pressure. When juggling academics and extracurriculars, it's easy to feel the weight of stress. Recognizing stress is the first step to managing it effectively. Pay attention to physical signs like headaches or muscle tension and emotional cues such as anxiety or irritability. Once aware, you can take action. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and regular exercise can help significantly reduce stress levels. It's also crucial to balance your workload through the time management strategies we've previously discussed. Remember, self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. Ensure you are taking breaks, maintaining a healthy diet, and getting enough sleep. This balance will not only enhance your performance in both academics and extracurriculars, but also improve your overall well-being. Stress is unavoidable, but with the right strategies, you can keep it from overwhelming you. Next, you'll see how one student navigates their journey, implementing these tips to maintain a balanced and productive life. In this segment, we delve into a real-life example of a student who successfully balances academics with extracurricular activities. Meet Sarah, a high school junior. Like many students, Sarah faces the challenge of managing a rigorous academic schedule alongside her passion for soccer. The pressure to excel both in the classroom and on the field often feels overwhelming. Early on, she struggled with time management and found herself buried under a mountain of assignments and practice sessions. But Sarah didn't give up. She started using a detailed planner to organize her day, prioritizing her tasks, and carving out specific time slots for study and practice. She also learned the art of saying no to non-essential commitments, focusing only on what truly mattered to her goals. This helped her maintain her sanity and keep stress at bay. Through persistence and smart planning, Sarah turned her challenges into a story of success, proving that with the right strategies, it's possible to thrive academically and remain dedicated to one's passions. Balancing academics and extracurricular activities is within your reach. As we've discussed, effective time management, setting priorities, and practicing stress management are key. Now it's time to put these strategies into action. Remember, your well being is just as important as your success. So take care of yourself, stay organized, and you'll find the balance you've been striving for. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Embrace these tips and achieve the balance you deserve. Until next time, stay focused and balanced. You've got this.